In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a seamless gradient in your Canva website. A gradient like this will go from one section, just like this section right here, and transfer to the other section and maybe go to another color at the end. So to create this, let's start off by creating a gradient in the first section of our website. So to do that, just click on empty space in your first section, and then click on background color. And then over here, click on add a new color and then gradient. And now over here, I just chose this gradient as my starting gradient. You can choose anything. I'm going to exit out of this, and now we're going to just transfer this gradient over here. So let's click on this other section, and I also created this section by clicking on the add section button at the bottom here. This can be used to create multiple sections which just make your page longer and longer. And so to add a gradient background color here, just click on this and then click on background color again, and then click on add a new color. Or if you're, so since we're trying to make a seamless transition from this to this page, we can just choose this gradient over here, which is already listed over here as this gradient. So just choose this one, and as you can see, we have the same exact gradient as this first section. So now to make this seamless, we want this color to be fading from here and then going to white or another color. So now we can click on add a new color, and now we have these same colors. So to switch the positions of these two colors, just click and drag on this second color and then drag it to the left side. Now we'll place it over here, and as you can see, this is creating a seamless transition now from this page to this page. And there's a little shadow, as you can see from here. This is just because of Canva trying to tell us that this is a different section. But when you actually preview this, you're going to see this as one seamless page without any cuts or anything. And you can also customize this further by just making the first color or second color be different from the second section. So let's click on it and then add a new color. And then over here, maybe we can change this color not to turn back to white, but maybe to turn to blue or anything else. So just like that. And now when we preview this, as you can see, there's a seamless transition and a gradient just continuing throughout the whole website. And you can continue this pattern by adding more sections and then just repeating the pattern just like we did here. And that's how we can add a seamless gradient in our Canva website. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.